my hobby is swimming. I like swimming because it is fun to play in the water and I feel relaxed when I swim. Swimming helps me to forget my problems and makes me feel fresh. I usually go swimming on weekends. Sometimes I go with my brother, with my friends, or just go alone. I often visit the swimming pool near my house, which is in Jepara. So this is the picture that I made. It's located in Jepara. The reason I swim there is because the place is safe, the water is clean, and the price is affordable. So that's important thing. And I also swim in the beach, but I only do that when the waves are calm for my safety. Before I start swimming, I always do a warm up. I also wear my swimsuit and I also wear my swim gloves like the glasses for swimming. I usually practice for 2 until 3 hours. In my opinion, swimming teaches me some lessons. It teaches me to be brave and to be patient. I think, for example, I need to be brave to go down in the deep water